Girls are quiet creatures that are turned off easily. They are usually afraid of conflicts and try their hardest to avoid aggression. They are usually shy, and it takes very little to make them happy or sad. Try the following tips below if you want to make girls want you everywhere you go. Number 1. Be funny. The fastest way into a girl's heart is by making her laugh. If you can say the right words at the right time to make her laugh, she will definitely want to be around you more. Just make sure that you are not too funny to the extent that you are made fool of. Number 2. Be charming. Always make sure to show your charm by telling her she is beautiful, adorable, call her an angel, or call her a babe. Finding creative ways to charm your way into a girl's heart will make her fall head over heels for you and want you very badly. Number 3. Be mysterious and irresistible. Being calm, polite, quiet, and not saying more than needs to be said are all ways of being mysterious. Keeping your emotions in check and not saying much about yourself will make you appear more interesting and irresistible. Make sure she does all the talking while you stay cool, calm and collective. Number 4. Be a bad boy. If you want the girls to drool over you, you will need to act like a bad boy. By simply acting confident, dominant, being brave, and assertive, you will be seen as a bad boy. You will also need to dress as one, therefore be prepared to change your wardrobe if you decide to go this route. You must know that being a bad boy is the complete opposite of being a gentleman, but both are traits that women love, so decide which one suits your personality best. Number 5. Be a smooth talker. A smooth talker is someone who is flattering with words and knows exactly what to say at the right time. They know how to persuade someone into doing or acting any way they want them to. Smooth talkers are usually dishonest people, so tread wisely. Choose your words carefully when you are around the ladies. Speak slower than usual and try your best to speak clear. Plus, avoid mumbling. You will also need to hold eye contact, have a slight smile when speaking, and listen more than you speak. Number 6. Be confident. Now, although self-confidence requires you to be accomplished in life, there are ways to exude self-confidence around the ladies. It all comes down to the way you carry yourself, the way you talk, walk and sit, or eat. If you want the ladies to want you, try reading a book that teaches you all about the ladies. It will help build up your confidence when you are around them, and help you interact with them better. Just make sure that when you are trying to be confident, leave arrogance behind. Number 7. Be intelligent. Everyone wants to be friends with an intelligent person, and it's no different with the ladies. They all want to show off their intelligent boyfriend. Being intelligent simply means that you can easily adapt to changes, you think wisely before you speak, and you know how to control your emotions in all situations. Simple ways to become intelligent include reading daily, meditating, playing mind games, exercising, getting enough rest, and trying to better yourself in things you love. Number 8. Be fit. Being fit is crucial to your success in becoming a ladies' man. If you want those girls to fall for you everywhere you go, you will need to stay fit by exercising regularly. Going to the gym at least 3 times per week will help you build those muscles and abs that the ladies love. Number 9. Take care of your appearance. To take care of your appearance, you will need to stay on top of the fashion trends and dress accordingly. Make sure you choose clothing that fits your personality or the role you chose to play. Remember that no girl wants to be seen with an outdated fashion model wannabe. Number 10. Be a gentleman. A gentleman is kind, considerate, chivalrous, complimenting, and respectful, holding the door for her, being polite to her family, helpful when the need arises, being cool, calm, and collective are all ways of being the perfect gentleman. Oh, and don't forget to rain down compliments on her as well. Number 11. Speak slowly and clearly. Like stated above, you will need to be a smooth talker if you want to win with the ladies. Talking too fast, mumbling, or not making much sense with your words is not what you want. Make sure to choose your words carefully and speak slowly, but not too slow though, when around them ladies. Number 12. Smile less. Research shows that men who smile less are seen as handsome, mysterious, and very attractive. If your goal is to make them fall for you, speak less, smile less, and use the bad boy attitude. This will have the ladies all over you in no time. Number 13. Always be in a good mood. Everyone has rainy days, I know, but if you want to win the ladies, never be around them if you don't feel up to it. If you are not in a good mood, it will show and the ladies can tell easily. No one wants to be around a moody person, so, if you are tired, sleepy, hungry, unhappy, or angry, never, ever, be around the ladies. Number 14. Speak less and listen more. Let them do all the talking, and I mean 99% of all the talking. Girls are naturally talkative but they genuinely hate men who talk a lot. If you want the ladies to like and want you, try your best to speak less, and listen more, while out on a date. Number 15. Learn to dance. Have you ever been out at the club, and seen a guy making impressive moves on the dance floor? I am sure you noticed how the ladies were all drooling over him with "ooh" and all, right? That's what's gonna happen for you if you take up some dance classes and learn how to move like Mick Jagger. Number 16. Be positive and interesting. Negativity is a complete turn off with the ladies. If you are boring and negative, you can bet your bum that you are not catching any of those cuties. You always want to be positive and say things that are interesting when you are around the ladies. Make sure you do not brag though. Number 17. Be generous. Generosity is such an amazing trait to have as a human being. I know, spending all your hard-earned cash on women is not the way to go, but you got to spend a little if you want to impress. No woman wants to be with a cheap man, therefore take out some of those bills and be a man. Number 18. Be unique. One of the best ways to have the ladies want you is by being unique. If there is something about you that sets you apart from the crowd, it will guarantee you get the ladies. Let's say you play the guitar, piano, know how to sing, rap, or there is something special about you. If you don't have any special traits, try playing on the school football team or swimming team. You could also learn new languages to try to impress the girls. Number 19. Be a leader. So instead of being in a group, make your own group and have all the famous guys in it. Being a leader makes you respected and sought after. Becoming a leader usually requires that you do things differently, but it will guarantee you getting all the ladies. Final thoughts. Confidence, born from self-assurance and a positive mindset, can be magnetic. By believing in yourself and your worth, you exude an attractive aura that draws others in.